Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of mastering Arduino from beginner to core advanced. Well, we are here in module 4 and we are gonna discuss about the content. The content is as follows: difference between input and output, multiple LED array, how to blink a multiple LED array, how to give a button as an input and get a function out of it, do a logical operation from it. And the same will be as for an analog input and it will be giving a logical analog output. After that, in the end, we will be seeing a LCD, or you can say it a liquid crystal display, and showing some digits or display, such as we are giving it a display same as we are giving the display to the serial monitor, but this time we will be giving it on an LCD, so the system can be run as a standalone without the help of a computer. Okay, let's just begin the topic. First of all, the difference between input and output. This is a theoretical part, so we have to get this is a theoretical part, so we have to get through it. First of all, there are two methods only by which the pins of an Arduino can get access. First one is to give a digital input, or second one is to give it an output. The output and input can be both digital or analog as per the pin description. Most of the pins are uh, most of the pins are capable of giving an analog output or input, while every pin in the Arduino board that has a number is capable of giving an input and output in the form of digital, such as the analog pin A0 to A5 will be turned into digital pin by using the number digital pin 14 to digital pin 19. Okay, first of all, the input in the pin is given in the form of a voltage. If we connect the digital pin to read something and connect it to ground, then it will be giving a value of 0, while if we give a voltage of 5 volt which is connected to the board in the form of ground, then it will be give a value of high. The same applies for the analog. While there's a difference between digital and analog is that in analog you can get a measurement value. For example, if the voltage is 3, then it will be giving a value of 600. For the voltage of 5, it will be giving a value something about 480, 840, anything similar to that. It will be range of value from 0 to 1023 while reading, and for writing it will be 8-bit value. You means to say that 0 to 2 raised to 8 minus 1, that is equal to 0 to 255 will be the writing value, while the input value for reading is 0 to 1023. This is because the analog to digital converter is configured in such a way in the microcontroller that it can read 2 raised to 10 values as input, while 2 raised to 8 values will be given as output for the voltage sources. But the scale for it is same, it is 0 to 5 voltage. Only the difference is that in reading you can get a 4 times precise as value as in writing. Okay, now let's just discuss about the code and what is the difference in it. Here you can see that both of the form will have the same method for input or output, such as, first of all, we are going to discuss about digital and what is the difference in codes while writing a digital input or output. Both of the method only have one difference. Pin mode, for input it is written capital input, and for output it is written capital output in the same method. But when it comes to program in void loop, there is some method difference is available. There is some method, but when it comes to void loop, there is some difference for calling the pins. For digital write function, it is very simple. Just declare the pin as digital write, give the pin number and set the value. For digital output, it should be low or high. While when we come to digital read something, first of all we have to declare a variable, and then variable should be storing the value of the digital read and the pin. There is no declaration of low or high because it is the read function. It does not requires a pre-built value. It will be reading from the environment or from the board pin where it is connected. Okay, and the same method you can see the print value using the same serial.println for digital read as well as serial.println for digital write. The method is same. Okay, the next part is for an. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.